Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale's Spider Dance on piano. First, let's dive into the basics. This piece is in a minor, with a brisk tempo of around 180 beats per minute. We'll start by identifying the main melodic themes, which are quite catchy and repetitive. Then, we'll look at the left-hand patterns, which provide a driving rhythm throughout the song. Getting these foundational elements down will set you up for success. Now, let's focus on the right hand's intricate melody. The main theme features quick, arpeggiated figures that require careful finger placement. We'll break down the faster 16th note sections, practicing them at a much slower pace before gradually increasing speed. Pay close attention to the articulation. Some notes are short and detached, while others are smooth and connected. Mastering these nuances will bring the melody to life and capture the song's energetic feel. Next, we'll tackle the left-hand accompaniment, which provides the rhythmic backbone. It primarily consists of alternating bass notes and chords, often in a driving eighth note pattern. Achieving independence between your left and right hands is crucial here, as they often play contrasting rhythms. I recommend practicing each hand separately until they feel comfortable and confident. Once you're solid with individual parts, we'll slowly bring them together, focusing on smooth transitions and synchronization. Finally, let's add some flair with dynamics and expression and discuss effective practice strategies. The piece benefits from a wide dynamic range, from soft, mysterious sections to loud, intense bursts. Using a metronome is essential for maintaining the consistent, fast tempo. Aim for several short, focused practice sessions each day, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each, rather than one long session. This approach helps build muscle memory and prevents fatigue, making your learning journey more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.